do bird dog. That is a common yoga move. This one's really great because it works your entire transverse abdominis, which is like a corset that wraps all the way around front and back. I want to show you a few variations and a couple things to watch out for. So you're going to be in the quadruped position. If you are recently postpartum, this can be a bad spot for you because of the downward pressure. So take note of that if you're not quite there. But there's a few variations. So for one, you could start with just the leg, extending it. Bring it in and out. In and out. It's helpful when you don't have someone crawling on you. Okay, so the next step, if you feel great doing that, is to do opposite leg, opposite arm. You can hold it static is an option, or you can draw it in and touch. Are you okay? If this quadruped position feels like too much downward pressure on your abdomen, get a higher surface and just focus on lifting your leg. You can do in and out also. Keep your neck neutral, however you do the move. Keep your neck neutral, so keep your eyes on the ground and your spine in a neutral position. Don't flare your ribs, don't arch and stick your butt out. You don't want to be doing this. Neutral spine. There you have it.